Hey everyone, it's your favorite Pick Instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best baby strollers that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Baby Jogger. The Baby Jogger City Mini GT2 stroller is an excellent choice for dashing around in the park with your baby. It's an updated release with softer materials and brighter tones that appeal to everybody. The Baby Jogger City Mini GT2 offers exciting features that elevate this beloved stroller to greater levels. With quick and small folds, a completely reclining backrest, under-seat compartments, and an extra-large parasol, we believe the Baby Jogger City Mini 2 delivers the best efficiency and comfort. The City Mini 2 further adds forward basket accessibility and a footrest to the real City Mini. At number 4. Chico. You won't be disappointed with the Chico Bravo Trio travel stroller when selecting the gear for the baby. It includes the Chico Bravo strollers, the KeyFit 30 base, and the KeyFit 30 baby seats. The Chico Bravo Instant Stroller has a multi-position tilting back, 5-point harness, and a kids tray with 2 cup slots for bigger infants and kids. A travel system, often known as a stroller and a car seat, is mostly about cost and comfort, and something from Chico succeeds on both counts. Once you stroll in the park, it's fairly durable and controls the off-road vibrations well. It comes with a stroller with a self-standing hold, altitude handlebar, a parental trays, and the popular KeyFit 30 baby car seat, as well as its bottom. To conserve load, you may clip the child seat literally on top of the ordinary seats or detach the usual seating and then use the provided adapter whenever the child rides in the KeyFit 30. The coverings from both sides touch overlap, providing the perfect bedtime nest. At number 3. Summer Infant. When you are looking for a stroller with some lightweight, durable, and comfortable features, the Summer 3 Delight stroller is the right one. This one is one of the hardest to maneuver of all the strollers. The 3 Delight stroller is a lightweight, sleek aluminum frame stroller and the marketplace's smallest and most feature-rich comfort stroller. Thanks to the easy-to-fold frame and carry strap, you can be on the go or stash and go with ease. The Summer 3D Light Convenience Umbrella Stroller is now one of the most famous umbrella strollers available. At number 2. Thule. The Thule Urban Glide 2 is a lightweight jogging stroller that may easily double as a primary stroller. This stroller is the simplest to manage with a big pivot front wheel, adjustable running tracks, and rear wheel suspension. It offers covered storage that can hold up to 10 pounds and extra stowed pockets for families and passengers. Features are ideal for taking all-day supplies on any expedition. Whereas the Thule Urban Glide 2 is a bit big and clunky due to its jogging style, making it more difficult to move in your car or keep out of the path, we still think it's a wonderful investment that can serve as both a jogger and a full-size stroller. At number 1. Doona. The versatility and simplicity of the Doona, which combines a child seat and strollers in one that weighs only 16.5 pounds, is unbeatable for mothers while doing others. However, don't imagine it to function as well as professional strollers. The tires aren't as forgiving of knocks. It's also not the perfect place for a baby to rest for a long time because it isn't a proper stroller. Nonetheless, many parents consider the simplicity of walking from their car to the pavement to be well worthwhile. The Doona is another piece of stroller. This unique design, which is half stroller, half child seat, and half traveling system, changes from a baby car seat to a stroller only with the push of a button. The stroller wheels and legs draw up and tuck underneath the child seat whenever ready to get into the car. You'll buy a new child seat and a new stroller whenever the baby reaches 32 pounds or 35 inches, approximately 1 year old, though a few infants outgrow their car seats much sooner and get so big the child seat. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comment section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.